Start with the magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 12 double crochets into this circle. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, start with chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 2 double crochets into each and every stitch. This is the first stitch. One more double crochet. Continue with the stitches, 2 double crochets into each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. At the end of this round, you should have 24 stitches. Next round, chain 3. Skip the next 2 stitches and into the next stitch, make a single crochet. Chain 3. Skip 2. 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Now repeat this in the rest of the stitches. Chain 3. Skip 2. 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Skip 2. 1 single crochet. At the end of this round, you should have 8 chain 3 spaces. Next round, slip stitch into this chain 3 space, and while making the slip stitch, change the yarn color. And you can weave off this yarn. Chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. 1/2 double crochet. 5 double crochets. And lastly, 1/2 double crochet into the same space. Now this is the next stitch, the single crochet. Make 1 single crochet over here. This is the first set of repeat done. Repeat this set of stitches. 1/2 double crochet into the next chain 3 space. 5 double crochets. One half double crochet, and lastly 1 single crochet into this single crochet. This is how it will look. Now continue with the stitches. 1/2 double crochet, 5 double crochets, 1/2 double crochet, and a single crochet into the next stitch. Make the last set of stitches. This is the single crochet, make the last single crochet. And once you're done, make a slip stitch on top of this first half double crochet, and while making the slip stitch, change the yarn color, and you can weave up this yarn. Next round, chain 6. Here the starting chain 3 to be counted as 1 double crochet, and the rest of the stitches it will be counted as a chain 3 space. Now make 1 single crochet into the middle stitch, that is the 4th stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the middle stitch. Chain 3. Next you will have the single crochet. Make 1 double crochet into the single crochet. This one. Now repeat this set of stitches. Chain 3. 1 single crochet into the middle stitch, that's the 4th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Chain 3. 1 double crochet into the next single crochet, this one. Now continue with the stitches. Chain 3. 1 single crochet into the middle stitch. Chain 3. 1 double crochet into the single crochet. Once you reach there, make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. This one. Next round, make a slip stitch into the chain space. Chain 1. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 4 single crochets into this chain 3 space. And into the next chain 3 space, make 5 single crochets. Repeat this in rest of the stitches. 4 single crochets into the next space. Five single crochets into the next space. Four single crochets. Five single crochets into the next space. Once you reach there, make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. At the end of this round, you should have 72 stitches. Next round, start with chain 1. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. 1 single crochet each into the next 4 stitches. This is the first stitch. One half double crochet each into the next 3 stitches. One double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. And the next stitch will make the corner. Make 3 treble crochets into the same stitch. Yarn over twice. This is the next stitch. Pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's the first treble made. Now make 2 more treble crochets into the same stitch. One more stitch into the same stitch. 1 double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. One half double crochet each into the next 3 stitches. One single crochet each into the next 7 stitches. That's the first corner made. Now make the next corner. 1 half double crochet each into the next 3 stitches. One double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. And we'll make the new corner. Make 3 treble crochets into the next stitch, all into the same stitch. One double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. One half double crochet each into the next 3 stitches. And one single crochet each into the next 7 stitches. That's the next corner done. Make the third corner. 1 half double crochet each into the next 3 stitches. One double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. We'll make the corner over here. 3 treble crochets into the same stitch, the next stitch, this one. One double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. One half double crochet each into the next 3 stitches. And one single crochet each into the next 7 stitches. That's the third corner made. Now make the last corner. 1 half double crochet each into the next 3 stitches. One double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. Make the last corner. 3 treble crochets into the same stitch. One double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. One half double crochet each into the next 3 stitches. And at the end you'll have 3 stitches left. Make one single crochet each into the remaining stitches. Here you started off with 4 single crochets and these are 3 single crochets. So total this side you have 7 single crochets. And once you're done, make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.